DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger video. And gang, I think I may have reacted to these in the wrong order, but I don't give a damn, because after what I just saw, bro, I'm so happy with the video I just reacted to, man. If you don't know, I just reacted to Shenseea Beama feature Lolo Brook actual video. Now I'm gonna react to the On The Block freestyle. I was supposed to react to the On The Block freestyle, but I ended up reacting to the video first, and man, was I pleasantly surprised, bro. You feel me? Really enjoyed that video. So if you've seen it, definitely go click on the link and check that video out, man. It's on the channel right now. But yeah, we're gonna do the From The Block freestyle, okay? This is Shenseea Beama From The Block performance, man. Let's jump right into the game. But before that, I fixed the link to the Discord in the description. Go ahead, click that link, join the Discord, become part of the game, man. But yeah, man, yeah, Shenseea Beama freestyle From The Block performance, man. Let's check. Let's jump. Let's not roll up on the game. Let's get it.
Don't you ever bring scared business to me. You're looking at the toughest rascal Jamaican in the United States.
Bro, she said what she said. She said what she said. Don't bring no scared business to me. She's the roughest, toughest Jamaican than even. She said what she said, bro. You feel me? Come on.
America.
I Shenseea, drop double R, fuck a Beama. Grass green, but me still hustle for make it greener. More cheese pan my bread, it look like pizza. VVS so cold, straight out of my freezer. Me not play like the dealer, top shadows and squeezers. Me not talk to bum bitch, bottom feeder.
Her shatters is squeezers, bro. She not talk to bum bitch, bro. Bottom feeders, bro. Yeah, shatters them I shoot.
Hot head, fever, top model, diva, pop bottles with the champion, handed the ball like Kyrie. Ivy, mainly shoot the side B. Lipstick, red like Ferrari. You gon' make me flash on a bitch like paparazzi. I'm too fly to crash up, but fuck it, kamikaze.
She too fly for crash up, but fuck it, kamikaze, bro. She's Asian. Come on, that line is crazy. You feel me? That is crazy, bro. You feel me? Is she Japanese or Chinese, bro? Cause, bro, that line is crazy and so many levels, bro. She's Asian. Come on.
Drop double R, fuck a Beama. Like a shot like trigger finger, I'm a stinger. My outfit a murder, it's a felony. Bitches all in my business without an LLC.
That's a fact. Outfit's a murder. She kill it. My baby stay killing it, bro. Stay killing it. All you bitches in her business, without stay out, bro. Stay out of our business, bro.
And I do this shit for practice. Done so many bitches, I might put them on my taxes. Caribbean Serena with the racket. I ain't going back and forth with bitches cause they ratchet. Them a real blood clot man muscle. Can't start beef cause the water run deep. I got the type of money that can put you 6 feet.
That type of money put you 6 feet, bro. Be yourself, bro. Come on.
Caught myself to sleep in $10,000 sheets. Bitches look like lumps, say a grace, let's eat.
Bro,
let's eat.
Bro, is that a spice dish, bro? Bitches look real, you say a grace, let's eat, bro. Is that a spice dish, bro? Let me know.
What's beef?
What is
say
it?
a grace, let's eat.
Drop.
Let's eat.
Look how fine she is, bro. Look at my baby, bro. I tell you, stop playing with her from loaded days, man. I want to know. From loaded days, we caught him. I said, the girl like a body now, name one here. When the name one here, look here now. Shout out Shenseea, bro. Shout out to whoever she's working with, the training she's doing. Shout out to her team, man. You feel me? Man, Shenseea one of the best out, bro. She one of the best spitters, best DJs, best freestylers, period, nigga. Not just for a girl, nigga, period. You feel me? Yeah, man. Baby girl, you doing your thing, Shen. Shen, don't stop, baby girl. Keep doing your thing, man. Keep making these haters mad. Keep showing your talent and your versatility. Show them say you can go and surpass all that. Bro, come on. Tell them you the Jamaican Rihanna, bro. You gonna shoot past even Rihanna, dog, and Nicki, bro. Come on, man. Yeah, man, shout out Shenseea, bro. Shenseea so talented, bro. Feel me? I like how she did that on that type of with it. People consider like a hip hop beat, but she kept her accent. The clarity was there. The bars was there. The setup, the punchline, bro. Shout out to her, bro. Shout out to her, man. Y'all niggas should be scared, bro. Y'all niggas should be scared. Not just the bitches. Y'all niggas should be scared too, cause Shenseea making moves better than y'all niggas and spitting better than y'all niggas. She ain't mentioned chopping once, bro. She ain't mentioned chopping not once, bro. She got the best verse of the year, gang. Best verse of the year, gang. Best verse of the year. And she ain't mentioned no chopping, no banging, no guzo, no nothing, bro. No nothing, bro. No nothing, bro. Damn. Shout out to Shenseea. Shout out to my baby Shenseea, man. Shenseea, link up, bro. I love you. Have you on the channel, bro. Bless me that interview. Bless me that interview. Come on, you one of the baddest out, bro. One of the dopest, bro. Come on, not just for a woman, bro. You feel me? For everybody. But you don't know. It's about Jambisco. You know, hit and smashing a bang. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love, guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy.